your private robot chef. Nymble lives on your kitchen countertop and cooks delicious food for you, just the way you like it. Here's how it works. Select a recipe, load chopped ingredients into A, B, C, and D, load up oil and water,
Add in the right spice pods,
and hit cook. Nymble takes over and drops things into the pan at the right time and temperature, just like a chef. Through the built-in camera, Nymble watches over your food, heats,
sautés,
and stirs, just like a chef. Checks the consistency, checks the doneness, seasons it, and cooks your food to perfection. Well, you get it, just like a chef. With Nymble, choose from over 500 recipes, get real-time updates on your mobile, eat great food always.
Sometimes you have a tough crowd to please. Sometimes you only have one ingredient on your side. And sometimes you get overambitious with your guest list. But with Thermomix, it's challenge accepted. Turn a time crunch into a moment of inspiration with more than 80,000 recipes. Turn family recipes into new memories. Turn your expectations into success. Cut fruits and veggies. Easily adjust portions. Enjoy over 45 cooking functions and modes, and even peel effortlessly. It's time to wrap up. Gather around, reveal your delicious dish, and turn tonight into something extraordinary. Because with Thermomix, you don't just cook every day, you create wow every day.
Meet the brand new Suvie 3.0. The newest magical all-in-one countertop kitchen robot, designed to save you time and cook delicious meals for your whole family. With over 15 ways of cooking and bigger portion sizes that feed up to 4 adults, Suvie provides a variety of delicious meals for your entire household. If you're planning ahead, just load your ingredients, schedule your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and Suvie does the rest. With its revolutionary cool-to-cook technology, your ingredients stay refrigerated until it's time to start cooking. And Suvie's multiple zones ensure that everything is ready at precisely the same time. If you're in a hurry, with Rapid Cook Mode, you can go from fully frozen ingredients to a perfectly cooked dinner in less than 25 minutes. If you want to bake a cake, wake up 2 egg bites, roast, bake, broil, slow cook, Suvie does it all, from cooling to cooking. To unlock the full power of the Suvie system, add the starch cooker for perfect pasta, rice, and even breakfast. With Suvie, you can cook with your own fresh ingredients, or get Suvie's chef-designed healthy Suvie meals delivered. Ditch takeout. Simply load, scan, cook, and enjoy. And the cleanup, quick and simple. Just the way you like it. Created to help you save time and eat well. Suvie will make your life easier and more delicious. Isn't it time you see for yourself? Try Suvie in your home today.